Welcome back to I Publish Ghostwriters, where we're here to help you save money and start new streams of income from the comfort of your home. Today, we're going to dive into 8 skills you can learn to start making money. These skills can be learned with no formal training, with various levels of time commitment. They might not be easy skills, but they'll pay off tenfold over time, sometimes almost immediately. If you like videos like this, make sure you leave a like for us down below so we can continue to provide you with the content you're looking for. If you're new to the channel but want to learn more about making money on your own from the comfort of your home, then go ahead and subscribe and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on a single new video. So now, without further ado, let's get right into these 8 skills you can start learning today. One, content writing. If you have the skills to write, you can make money as soon as this afternoon. Writing content for websites is as easy as learning the tone, style, and niches of your potential clients. If you're able to produce consistent, high-quality work, this is a great way to add to your household income. This can be blog posts, articles, guides, manuals, or website copy. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Contra, and more give you platforms to advertise your services for a low percentage of your sales going back to the website. 2. Graphic designing. There are plenty of tutorials online to learn image editing software like Photoshop, Illustrator, GIMP, or even Photopeak. GIMP and Photopeak offer you a way into the process without needing to pay Adobe's monthly subscription costs. You can learn to design things without paying a single dime between free programs and online tutorials. Offering your services in graphic design can become a steady side hustle with enough practice. You can help people design logos, thumbnails, or edit social media content for a business. Freelancing platforms work well, but this skill can also land you a job if it's something you enjoy. Graphic design is one of those skills that can land you a job with a portfolio, sometimes even better than a degree. 3. Blogging. Blogging will open up plenty of opportunities for you. Suppose you learn the platforms like Squarespace, Medium, LiveJournal, or somewhere else. You can offer content that can generate revenue through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and advertising any other skill you might be comfortable sharing. Blogging is an excellent gateway into creating an audience, which opens up plenty of opportunities otherwise. You can start growing your audience by searching Google Trends and picking a popular niche that you feel comfortable writing in. If you don't want to write the blog post yourself, hiring a freelancer online to fill out your page with engaging content within your niche can work just as well. Have you ever tried running a blog? Let us know your thoughts about the experience down below, even if it was just for fun. If you haven't, why not? Running a blog can be completely free to start. Do you know where to start? If you're interested in us going into detail about how valuable this skill is, let us know so we can bring you the kind of content you want to see. 4. Video editing. Learning to edit videos can allow you to create content or become the video editor for other companies. There are so many companies producing video content on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok that having someone produce the content can help them build their audience. On the other hand, you can use your new video editing skills to create your own audience and make videos on the side to earn revenue from the same platforms through platform promotion. This can be a great way to incorporate affiliate marketing, intellectual products like courses or ebooks, sponsorships, or other ways to make money while you're producing content. 5. Web and app development. Another skill that can be learned outside of classes. Cases. Certifications can be achieved easily with some testing and plenty of resources. Having a portfolio can be just as powerful as a degree. In the end, the certifications are obtainable and more important than anything else. Being someone's website or app developer can turn into long-term work if you're skilled. Dedicating the time to learn the tools of the trade can benefit you tenfold. 6. Voiceover work, voice acting. If you've ever been complimented on your speaking voice or can comfortably read from a script, then learning the basics of voiceover work can benefit you. This will take practice, a quiet space, and the proper equipment, but good voiceover work goes a long way and can be pretty valuable. The jobs vary on their individual time commitment. Still, the nice part about creating your own hours is that you can sink as much or as little time into it as you feel comfortable. With enough commitment and practice, this can become a lucrative side hustle. You'll just need to be very pleased listening back to your own voice. 7. Self-publishing. Self-publishing on Amazon can give you plenty of opportunities, as you can target as many niches as possible. Learning the skills to self-publish successfully may take time and commitment, and this business model is a significant time commitment. You'll either want to write the book yourself or hire a ghostwriter and determine the terms with them beforehand. You can also publish low-content books like journals, notebooks, coloring books, composition books, or meditation aids, as well as plenty of other options. Conducting niche research can help you pinpoint precisely what endeavors will make you the most money. You can either go with seasonal topics as they come up, like holidays, or evergreen niches that will make money year-round, like journals, notebooks, or trackers. If this is something you're interested in, you might love our online training on the subject, and the proof we've made to back it up. This can be a side hustle or a full-time job. It all depends on how much you want to spend on it. 8. Retail arbitrage. You can create a business of buying and selling items no matter where you go. Retail arbitrage is buying products to resell online. Once you understand the ungating process, you can sell just about anything without restriction. All you'll need to do is keep your eyes out for good deals on items that sell well on platforms like eBay and Amazon, and keep looking even if you're traveling. You can also have a business built around the process, purchasing items wholesale and opening an Amazon storefront that will net you a consistent profit. Like many others, this is a skill to learn and research, but can work for you on your time. You very much get out what you put into this business model. Still, it can be incredibly lucrative if you set the groundwork for yourself. No matter what skill is calling to you, these can be turned into real ways to make money on the side. We can go into more detail for beginners getting into any of these, but we offer plenty of content around self-publishing, retail arbitrage, and a few others on this list. If you're looking for something you don't see, let us know down below. We're always looking to provide you with the valuable content you've been looking for. That's going to be all for today. Hopefully, this provides you the instruction you need to start learning some fundamental money-making skills. Go ahead and leave them down below if you have any questions. And while you're down there, make sure you're subscribed and have post notifications on. That way, you won't miss any more money-making content that we put out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.